What's going on, BitTorrent holder? Today video is going very special, and this is live price prediction of BitTorrent. Today we discuss this is selling time, buying time, or holding time. So everything in this video very professional, very brand video is gone now. Today please subscribe. Before I get start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel because this channel is very good for you. They can give you a good information video of all cryptocurrencies, bad news or good news, every good news of all cryptocurrencies they can give you. So just subscribe and also like this video if you enjoyed, if you are a holder of BitTorrent. Okay, BitTorrent holder, so I can start this video, but before, first of all, I gotta show you some charts of BitTorrent to what's going on in those days. All cryptocurrencies, first of all, I said that all cryptocurrencies goes down in those days, but BitTorrent brothers, what's going on? Why BitTorrent is going very fastly? I am very shocked. I'm very happy to BitTorrent as absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know that the BitTorrent is absolutely goes like a rocket. You can see here the result of the chart has absolutely gone up and up, absolutely gone up. So just remember this result. Just remember this result. I said just remember. Okay. So this time, if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour result. Remember it. Okay, and the chart is 2.4% gone up, and the latest price is 0.01239 US dollar as the latest price. So remember this price and also the changes. Okay, so let's check it out, the last 24-hour result. Okay, and let's check it out. Also remember this changes. Okay, everything also remember. This is very important for the decision to we buy it or we sell it. What's we do? Okay, oh my god, I can't believe this. What's this? The change is a crush. You can see the plus 70.14% they gone up. I can't believe my BitTorrent as my favorite cryptocurrency. Guys, I said it. I am going to buy 1,000 coins of BitTorrent. I am going to buy it. Absolutely, this is the last 24-hour result, and absolutely, let's check it out, the last 7-day result, guys, and then we decide to this is selling time or this is buying time. Okay, guys. Oh my god, believe this absolutely gone off. Absolutely, they can mind-blowing result give us. Oh my goodness, 126. I think this time the fastest cryptocurrency as BitTorrent. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations, many congratulations for all holder. BitTorrent as the fastest cryptocurrency, and this time I said that this is the fastest cryptocurrency. What you say to this is the very fastest cryptocurrency? I'm very excited. Oh my god, I think they can cross $1 US just in a few days. What you say? They can easily cross it. If you can see here this changes, this type changes, if they give us, then this is absolutely easy. You can see here in those days all cryptocurrencies goes down, but BitTorrent absolutely in those days goes off. So I think at the mid of month they can give you 200, 300 plus changes. What you say? Can this possible? Please share it in the comment box. Very important, your opinion also share please in the comment box. This is all good news for holders. Congratulations many because they can make you a millionaire. This is absolutely a very good prices, and they change it $1 US just in a few days. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is absolutely mind-blowing video. Please like it. Please complete 1K like in this video, and please subscribe my 3K subscribe complete. Please. Thank you. Hope you completed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.